That will be intended to, the harvest is more important, that's him showing he's being bossy, he's not the leader. Why is he bossing everyone around? So you could say that he's, you could use that as either a positive, saying he takes charge, or you could say that's negative, he's bossy when they're supposed to all be equal. Okay? Sure. Yeah, the hand right up there. Okay. And the key part, okay?